Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. So I just went to the market and I got back not long. I'm going to be showing you guys how I store my fruits. I have mango here, fruit my veggies. So this really cute storage containers in the market and I had to get them. I have chicken in the kitchen. I want to marinate overnight so that tomorrow I can cook. I hear weird noise. My generator is on, no light, so I have a visitor. My friend, she came from for a wedding from Abuja, so I just want to cook. This is the next morning, so I'll be cooking this morning and washing all my dirty dishes. But first I want to get the chicken we marinated last night and start deep frying it. After I finish deep frying it, I'll wash the dishes because the kitchen is a mess. I have dishes to wash, just to clean everywhere and organize. But first I've set up my pan. I want to cook nice, amazing thing. We are cooking coconut vegetable white rice and chicken stew. One good thing I've learned about cooking is building flavors. So I have this oil that I use to fry chicken and the flavor is there. So instead of using a new oil, I'm just going to use it to fry my chicken. See all the spices in there. Yum. the palm.
Okay, golden palm.
Yeah.
700.
Not 500.
Okay, no, pay 600 naira.
I want to get like 3.
Yes.
Then do you have aloe vera?
Aloe vera. Cow aloe vera. How many?
This one is coconut.
Yes, it's coconut.
I'll take 3 of this. I'm coming. Let me look around. This one's too. They are still golden palm, right?
Yes.
Just okay. This plant, which was?
Which one? This one.
Yes.
They are indoor plants. Indoor plants.
Aha! I want one. I want one. This one is it the same thing with?
Yes, this one.
Same thing with this one.
Yes, but let him go and bring the other one.
Okay. What about this one? What are they?
This one. This one they are carrier.
What does that mean? Are they indoor?
No, they used to put it in the front of the house.
So you are not safe buying to you. I've been losing my mind. Jesus. I'm almost done. I did a lot today, but I didn't even vlog it. I didn't carry people along. I carried you along, yes. I carried you along to some of the places I went to, but not all the errands. I really stressed myself today. So I'll not be able to clean the kitchen. I'm just going to cook honestly and go to bed. Tomorrow we are going to do cleaning. I don't know if it's something you guys would like to see, but I want to clean my entire house. We're going to do that together and I'll end this vlog tomorrow. So the stew is ready. I'll show you guys in a bit because I want to put some parsley on it. Then the rice is almost ready. When it's almost ready, I'll just put my veggies so that it can steam and be a little bit crunchy. What's up? I just showered and I'm ready to go to bed. I don't know if you can see me, but I put off the light. Sorry about that. I'm not going to talk much. Woo! I just want to go to bed, right? And I want to watch Blood Sisters. Everybody has been raving about that movie. It's a Nollywood movie. They just came out on. Those are my cats. It's on Netflix. So everybody has been raving about it. Even those that don't like Nollywood movies. Everybody, their grandma, their mother, their cousins, they've been raving about it. So I just want to watch it. And I'll give you guys my feedback before this vlog ends. So see you tomorrow. Afternoon. So this is afternoon of the next day. I've cleaned everywhere. I didn't vlog it like I promised. I didn't vlog it. My battery was extremely low. There was like no light throughout yesterday night, so I couldn't vlog. My friend has gone back to Abuja. She just left. Anyways, I'm just going to have a shower now, put on the gen because there's no light again, and just prep for my visitors. But anyway, Blood Sisters movie, I finally watched it. I slept 3 a.m. today because I was watching it throughout the night. It has 4 episodes. It's on Netflix. It's a Nollywood movie, in case you don't know. And it's the rave of the moment. People that don't even like Nollywood movie are like, it's everywhere. Everybody's talking about it. Every single body that watched that movie is like, go watch it. So I finally watched it. And yes, it's worth the hype. It's worth the hype. Definitely. Like, Nollywood shocked me. The cinematography, I'm someone that is big on creative video making, content creation and all of that. The cinematography shocked me. The video quality, the scripting, the direction of the movie, the gadgets, the editing skills. Like, I love the storyline. It's powerful. Then they tried to throw in some twists and turns, which was exciting how it could be. It was okay. And there are some characters I felt the casting would have been better. And again, people came at me from different corners on WhatsApp. For example, the part Kate Henshaw acted, I've never seen her acting that kind of mean, stern parts. She's usually the good mom or the good person crying and weathering through the storm. She did an awesome job, like doing that for the first time. She did an awesome, magnificent job. But I felt there are other people that would have interpreted that role over 100 more. Like, and I don't know, I wanted to say Shola Shobowale but everybody knows Shola Shobowale. But one person that I felt would just have been amazing for that cast was Ireti Doye. I don't know if you guys know Ireti Doye in Wedding Party. Like, I feel she would have just fitted that part so well. But K-Tension did a very, very good job. So I've never seen her in acting parts like that. So I don't think she will really, if she wants to be honest, relate to the character so much. But she did an awesome job. She did an awesome job. So overall, the movie is nice. Give it my 90 over 100. So that's my 2 cents. Thank you. 7 minutes. Talking for 7 minutes. Wow. So you guys see, I got this new decor.
Contact with Gold Real Estate Company. If contact person is the
So you guys, Daisy has been looking at me. Bathroom. Straight in the eyes. In this position. I don't know why. Hey guys, good morning. 1 million years later. I was editing the vlog as usual and I realized there's no end to the vlog. So this is me signing out. The over 100 people that always watch my vlogs, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to help me like the video, comment below. I love reading all your comments, and subscribe if you are not subscribed already. I promise to make even better vlogs. Until next time, bye.